Welcome back to Tecnologías. Today I am going to teach you how you can remove the virus from your computer. The first thing we're going to do is press Windows and A. We can see this option and go to press Windows with click right and select Properties. We see that is directly to us properties. We have the option to change the name configuration, protection of the system, and we can see this is disactivate. This is activate, you select and disactivate. Okay, close and select Windows R. We go to search Regedit, select here, press yes, and here you enter the second option. Okay, the second option, select software, or software, select Microsoft and select Windows and the second option, current version. We see these forms. If you don't know how to application you have in your computer, select here administrator of homeworks. Okay, open and we see applications. If you see application, if you don't know it, you eliminate for this a possible virus. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us.